Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents on iPhone Notes. First, open the Notes application on your device. You will find its familiar yellow and white icon on your home screen. Begin by creating a new note or selecting an existing one where you wish to add your document. Tap the camera icon located just above the keyboard, which will reveal several options for inserting media. You can either choose to scan documents using your phone's camera for a crisp digital copy, or pick photos or video to import a PDF or image file already saved in your gallery, making it ready for signing. With your document now successfully imported into the note, tap directly on it to open it in a larger view. At the top right corner of your screen, you will notice the distinctive share icon, which is shaped like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tapping this icon will bring up a share sheet, displaying various actions you can perform with your document. From this list, carefully select the markup option. This choice is crucial, as it activates all the necessary drawing and signature tools needed to professionally sign your document within the Notes application, preparing it for the next step. Now that you are in the markup interface, look towards the bottom right of your screen for a prominent plus sign icon. Tap this icon to reveal a small menu of additional tools. From this menu, carefully select the signature option. A blank line will appear on your screen, providing the perfect canvas to sign your name clearly and naturally using your finger. Take your time to create a legible signature. Once you are satisfied with your creation, simply tap Done in the top right corner of the screen to save your new signature, making it readily available for future use. Upon tapping Done, your newly created signature will instantly appear as an overlay on your document. You can easily drag this signature with your finger to precisely place it in its correct spot on the document page, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the designated signature line. To adjust its size, simply use the distinct blue dots located at each corner of the signature box. Dragging these dots inward or outward will resize your signature proportionally. If needed, you can also rotate the signature by dragging the rotation handle, giving you complete control over its final appearance and placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.